Hi guys! Let me try with the gum because it's not professional. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm going to be doing an Glossybox unboxing, and as you guys can tell it's still in the box. I haven't even opened it at all, so I had no idea what's in here. If I don't like something you can totally see it on my face, so let's go. We all know how the box looks like. It's just a pink box. This is how it looks like inside, and I'm guessing the theme for this month is beautifully fit. I don't work out, not even to save my life. Ooh, this is what we have inside, and obviously the first thing I see is this big old bottle. And what is this? Ooh, it's a sweet orange and cedar, I don't know how to pronounce it, foaming shower gel sensation. So I'm not sure what this is. I mean, is it a shower gel? But it's foaming, so is it a mousse? I don't know what it is. But let's be crazy and let's put some over here. Okay, I'm scared. My gosh, how hard do you have to... Shoot! You guys, okay, that came out really weird. Yes, okay, I need a napkin, but it is a shower gel that becomes a mousse. God, okay. It smells pretty nice. Let me grab a napkin and clean this up, okay? I'm a mess today. Obviously, you just need a tiny little bit because this thing just foam like nothing else, but it smells pretty good. It smells kind of musky. I don't smell the orange, but I do smell like cinnamon. I don't know, I'm pretty bad at describing fragrances, so but I'm pretty excited about that. This is the, I don't know how to pronounce it, LAKA & Co. It's a cloud lips airy matte lipstick in Daydream. Let's see what color Daydream is. Oh gosh, no. Ugh. Okay, I don't like nude lipstick. I just feel like they don't look good on me. But that's how that color looks like. Okay, the next thing, it is this little white piece. It only has 10 little wipes in here. Forgetting to say the prices. So the shower gel that retails for $15, which I feel like is a fair price, and the lipstick retail for $17. And now this one, okay, this is not a full size. The full size retail for $9.99, and it actually brings 25 wipes, and this only has 10 in it. Clarifying oil-free cleansing towelettes. I have heard a lot of good things about this brand, but I have never tried it. And I have acne-prone skin and I have extremely oily skin, so I am excited about this. Okay, next thing is this. It says break the rules. This is, I'm guessing, a eye cream, and this is a full size and retails for $37. It says it's anti-dark circles and puffiness, and it is antioxidant. I mean, I'm not like super excited about it, but I will try it, and that's all that counts. And the last product is this, I don't know how to pronounce that name, but you guys can read it. And it's from Morocco, and it's a baked blush in rose beige. I have a feeling this color is not gonna work for me. No. But I can use it as a highlighter, I think. And I hope you guys can see it right here. And it is on my finger too. And that one's retails for $44. And that's everything that was in my box. I'm not excited about the lipstick or the baked blush, but yeah, everything is pretty good. I'm not totally disappointed. I am really excited about the shower gel. It looks pretty interesting and it smells amazing. So yeah, that's everything for today. I'm gonna leave the Glossybox link on the description box, so make sure you check that out. And yeah, that's it. Subscribe, like, comment, whatever you want to do, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.